Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Again! You fucking idiot!
Going on, boss. Officer Muscat, Atlanta Police Department. Reason for the stop, you can't be on that cell phone when you drive. You can roll that window down for me?
I was on my GPS. I'm just trying
You
to.
got your license?
I have a picture of it.
You alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright. When's the last time you smoked, boss?
It's about yesterday. I smoked yesterday, but I ain't been smoking.
You alright?
No.
Yo, now look, listen. In Atlanta, it's just a ticket. Now, if you lying to me, then we're gonna have to go.
I got this one.
All right, boss. Look, honesty go a long way.
Right.
All right.
That's what I'm saying. I smoked earlier.
I mean, it's a little, you know what I'm saying, a little two grand, man.
He nervous as hell.
All right, we're gonna get you out the car. We're gonna search the rest of the car. All right. All right, boss. Step out for me. Step out for me.
Push up, guys!
Look how nervous he is, man. He is his oh my God. He petrified
Turn
right
around for
now. Hands shaking.
me. There you go.
Can't be still. Voice shaky as hell. You just gave yourself away.
Boss, stop moving. Stop moving. Boss, stop moving. That's my last time telling you stop. Stop.
Why?
Stop. We're gonna teach you.
You already cooked. Why?
Boss.
Stop. Stop.
Why add more charges?
You got nowhere to go now.
Stop.
Stop. We're gonna tase you.
Stop. Get on the ground. You got nowhere to go. Get on the ground.
Oh! Now you fucked
They
up!
giving him so much grace.
Now you fucked up! Now you fucked up! You have fucked up now!
He's reaching. He's reaching.
I'm not reaching.
Stop.
You get roll over.
Roll the fuck over.
Stop. You won't get tased again.
I'm about to fucking tase you again.
Right, give me the other arm. Give me the other arm. Hey, we got one in custody. Boss man, look. You alright? It's over now. You alright?
No, man.
Alright, what's wrong?
No.
You're not getting out the
Yeah, we
cuff.
good.
Upon searching the vehicle incident to the lawful arrest, officers discovered multiple cases, zip seal cases of marijuana, suspected cocaine, and methamphetamine.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Dude.
What I tell you, buddy?
5 bricks of suspected cocaine with a weight of 2.5 pounds each. Ooh. My gosh, you absolutely cooked. 35 vacuum sealed bundles of suspended marijuana, total weight of 35 pounds. You fucking cooked. 22 vacuum sealed bags of suspected crystal methamphetamine with a weight out to be 2 pounds each. A total of 44 pounds. They standing out there smiling. They smiling from ear to ear out there. Officers also recovered over $73,000 in cash from the suspect.
1678.
Oh shit.
Oh my God!
Man. Bro, you see, bro, it's weed. Yeah.
Listen, chat. I've seen people get filleted before, but this man is overdone. He is overly done. Go ahead, drop him in the fryer. The big one, the big commercial fryer that you only cook turkeys in outside. Go ahead, drop him on off in there. Buddy boy is done. And whoever the hell hired this goofy motherfucker also needs to be indicted, because what were you thinking? Whoever hired this dude to transport all of this shit, this dude, you transporting at the bare minimum 3 different kinds of drugs that you're trafficking. And in the middle of trafficking this, not only are you trafficking it, but you decide that you're going to break the local laws, traffic laws as well, which is how you got caught in the first place. You texting on your phone and smoking weed while transporting drugs, bro. You can't make this shit up. This guy, I thought this was a movie. You not even built. This is the thing that I don't understand, y'all. You not even built for this line of work. You know how I know that? Because as soon as he walked up on you, your hand was doing this. All in your voice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I got it. I don't have my ID, but I got it on my phone. You're not even built for this line of work. You can't even handle this line of work. You definitely ain't tested and tried and true. There's no way you done been in this situation before, because you don't know what to do. Then once you caught, you decide to go ahead and rack up more charges. What you fighting for at this point? You already cooked, bro. It's over. You taking the long ride. And not even built for this. See, y'all niggas, man, see, this is why you can't believe everything you see, man. You can't believe that tough talk. Niggas want to talk tough. It's all fun and games, and you all tough until it's really time for that action. Until it's really time for you to be in the limelight. When that spotlight hits you and you really not built for that, they gonna break all that shit down. All that shit gonna come to light. Hands just a check. Y'all, hold on, let me rewind. Let's play it again. I want y'all to pay attention to his hands. Pay close attention. Listen to his voice.
Going on, boss. Officer Musford, Atlanta Police Department. Reason for
Look
the
out.
stop, you can't be on that cell phone when you drive. You can roll that window down for me?
Absolutely. I was on my GPS. I'm just trying
You
to.
got your license?
I have like a picture right there.
Watch his
You all right?
hands.
Yes, sir.
All right. When's the last time you smoked, boss?
It's about yesterday. I smoked yesterday, but I ain't been smoking.
Yeah, man, you alright?
No.
Yo,
Now, look, listen. In Atlanta, it's just a ticket. Now, if you lying to me, then we're gonna have to go.
I got this look.
All right, boss. Look, honesty goes a long way.
Right.
All right.
That's what I'm saying. I smoked earlier.
I mean, it's a little, you know what I'm
talk.
saying, a little two grand, man. This ain't nothing. All right, we're gonna get you out the car. We're gonna search you.
Look at his
All
hands.
right, all right, boss. Step out for me. Step out for me.
Yeah, fool, what did you think was gonna happen? You thought you was gonna hand them that pack and they was gonna be like, all right, bro, good day, sir. It's a good thing that you turned that over. Now we can believe you and you can go ahead and go on about your day. What the fuck did you think was about to happen, nigga? Huh? What did you think was about to happen once you handed over that pack? Now we gotta search your vehicle for more shit. And you just gave us probable cause. You niggas that don't know the law but wanna traffic drugs and be involved in a drug game, the first thing you should probably do is know the laws in the state that you live in, or at least the ones that you're gonna be traveling in and out of. Your goofy ass is up here trafficking all types of drugs and you don't even fucking know the laws. You so stupid to where when they pull up on you, the first thing you do is lose your shit. The first thing you do is lose control of all of yours. 'Cause I lose control of all my senses. Listen, yo. I'm telling you, young people, it's not worth it. It's the same story. I just watched the Gilly interview where he interviewed with Shannon Sharp. You know what he said? He said the same thing that everybody say, that all former drug people used to say, they used to be in the game. He said there is no way out of there, that there's no happy ending. One of three things is gonna happen to you. One of three things is gonna happen to you. There is no happy ending. No Asian parlor for you. No happy ending for you. It's over. He cooked. And whoever supplied him with that shit just lost a hell of a shipment. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this goofy nigga down in the comments. And this is why, if you don't know what the fuck you're doing and you're not really built for that, you should probably just go ahead and get that 9 to 5, bro. Just go ahead. Go ahead, apply at Amazon. Go ahead. It's nothing wrong with working a regular job, bro. Not everybody is cut out to run the drug game. And the people that even are cut out, quote unquote, cut out to run a drug game, even they gonna lose in the end. There's no winning for y'all. Go ahead and fill out that app, bro. Go ahead, fill out that app, and then go home and be a family man. Because you're not built for this. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you who keep showing up for me. Listen, man, I owe y'all everything. I do this for y'all. I do content for y'all. So I appreciate you once again. Hope to see y'all in the next video later.